Hello guys, what about you? Today's story name is Which Wand Works. Let's start. This is a story about a witch called Rattle, a witch called Ricket, and the cat called Rum. This is a Rum and Ricket. Every Friday evening, Rattle, Ricket, and Rum sit down to watch their favorite television program, Which Wand Works. This is the program's name. I could do better than that, said Rattle. Well, I could do better than you could, said Ricket. Then I could do better than can you? Better than I could. Ha! I can do better than you. Could do better? Doing better? Then I can do better than you, do you? Do you better than I can? Shouted. Alright, I can test challenge Rickard. Tongue of dog, drool of dog. Turn the switch into a frog. Poof. Eye of bad and black squid ink make my sister start to shrink. But Rickard began to blow up like a balloon and then took off around the room. Pop, hiss. Rigger finally landed in a heap of her chair. Clough grab my whistle's car. Yeah, make my sister disappear. Puff. Now he disappeared. Legs of spiders, the witch's carry zone, and the spells flew back and forth. Shells of snails, fireflies' wings, wombats' tails, legs of bugs, tails of slugs. Where's Rum? One spell had gone wrong, and Rum was now despairing down the road in the back of the discard. And this is the discard. Rattle jumped on her broomstick and flew out the window. Just as the witches were catching the discard, the wind blew Rattle off her broomstick. She trembled through the air, landing with a loud bump on the windscreen of the discard, which stopped. So they gathered the climbed onto Rattle broomstick and flew home. And to celebrate, they decided to have a party. So now we are back where we started with Rattle. Enjoy yourselves to all of you.